Oh no, he didn't feel like waiting in line like the rest of everyone. Be patient, bro.
You stupid mom! Hope you enjoy that, faggot.
Since he was making a turn. Words fail me to describe the actions of that driver. Glad he's okay. Well, it's the importance of regular tire inspections and safe driving practices, folks. It's a good thing those two heroes came and saved the day at the end by putting the plastic barrier. No injuries were reported, and no hazardous materials were released. The tracks were cleared in hours. A bus was stuck on icy roads in Michigan. The bus driver tried to wave the train engineer to stop, but that was a lot better than what I expected. Be careful on wet roads, folks. An electrical pole was damaged, and there were no injuries. OP did his best to avoid collision and still suffered damage due to other vehicles' carelessness. I mean, never let them know your next move, right? Wow, he was lucky he pulled over instead of stopping behind him. The winter storm that blew through Utah in March of 2020 caused a chain reaction incident in Wyoming. The time to open the road is 28 hours after the event. Whoa! Don't neglect your truck's health. Whoops! Make sure everything is properly strapped down before hitting the road. No, someone is so reckless on the road and doesn't care anything. If I was driving that red car, I would sue the person. Do you think BMW is to blame?
You're right.
Hey there, if you are enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Make it a habit to look over our shoulder before changing lanes, bro. You You must first ensure your personal safety by evacuating as soon as possible, guys. Does the driver even realize? Hope someone warns him. Make it a habit to look over our shoulder before changing lanes, bro. Never risk your life by trying to beat a train. It's just not worth it. Remember, trains always have the right of way. I'm constantly amazed at some guys that pull themselves into these situations like that. The driver managed to jump out of his car before it was swallowed by a sinkhole. The 13-foot wide chasm opened up after a heavy goods vehicle passed over it. When passing a truck, do so on the left side or whenever possible. We have a lesson here. Regular tire maintenance and checking tire pressure can help prevent blowouts. One quick glance over your shoulder could prevent a lifetime of regret. A poorly loaded truck lost part of its load as it corners too fast. Props to the guy in front for picking it up. One look at those wheels, you just know, this ain't gonna last long. This incident will remind you of our channel. Oh, that's one way to bring traffic to a standstill. Hope they can clear it up quickly. Drive defensively, due to many people like this guy on the road. The camera did his best to avoid it. Glad the Dashcam helped him obtain insurance. What is he doing? How did he get this driver's license? Good job, officer. In an emergency, unless you are sure there is no car next to you, do not dodge randomly. Thankfully, there were no injuries.
Wave like you would. Whoa!
Ford Escape driver failed to yield to the Ford pickup driver. As you can see, it is a dangerous and poorly designed intersection. It is in Langley, Canada. A man emerged from the RV and waved at the train, then retreated. But the train was unable to stop in time. What are they thinking? I think both are at fault. Whoops, pretty common mistake. It was 100% avoidable by continuing to look at the corner exit. At least he is fine. What are they thinking? I think both are at fault. Remember, folks, continuously scan the road and your surroundings. Be aware of what's happening in your periphery and anticipate potential hazards. No, no, no! Why doesn't he stop? Glad everyone is okay. Learning from mistakes is important, but it's often the most expensive way to learn. It is in Langley, Canada. A man emerged from the RV and waved at the train, then retreated. But the train was unable to stop in time. No way! Why would you drive through this without putting it in four-wheel drive? Oh no, he did not notice that the traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts too late. At least there were no injuries. This is a similar case. Continuously scan the road ahead, check your mirrors, and be aware of the movements of other vehicles, folks. Hope all of them are safe. The driver fell asleep and collided with the side of the road. Plan rest stops every 2 hours or 100 miles during long drives, everyone. It is good that there were no injuries.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This happened in Texas.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
After several attempts, the suspects were taken into custody.